हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. मी ऋतुजा लावरे महाराष्ट्र मीडिया आमच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर आत्ताच सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 6 इंग्लिश चॅप्टर नंबर 3.1 इट कॅन बी डन टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन्स अँड आन्सर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे आन्सर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स इन वन सेंटेन्स ईच. ए आहे हू मिसेस ऑल द फन. आन्सर इज the man who has a negative approach in trying out new things and says it can't be done is the man who misses all the fun. B. What does the title of the poem suggest? Answer. The title of the poem positively suggests that the things that we set our mind to complete can most definitely be done. C. What does the man who misses all the fun do? Answer. The man who misses all the fun wears an expression of a solemn pride, remains away from other peoples and harshly criticizes any kind of new venture. D. What does who misses all the fun mean? Answer. In the poem, this line refers to a person who likes to remain away from other peoples because of his solemn pride and is never ready to face any obstacles with a positive attitude of overcoming it. E. What would he do if he had a power in him? Answer. If he had a power in him, he would happily erase all the developments made by the man and also history of the human race. F. What example of man's progress have been given in the poem? Answer. The examples of man's progress given in the poem are radio motors, street lights, telegraph and the telephone. G. What should human beings do to make progress? Answer. Human beings should have a positive outlook towards life which will help them overcome their difficulties and fears and certainly help them to go ahead in the path of progress. Question number 2. Form groups. List a few articles of everyday use. Discuss how they can be improved. Answer. Doorbell. First is doorbell. The doorbell that everyone has in their homes can only be clearly heard in one room. In order to improve the doorbell, we can install the doorbell advice in the other rooms too. Second, mosquito racket. Mosquitoes are the worst nuisance for men. The rackets work pretty well, but it would be better if we had a bigger net to easily capture the stray mosquitoes. Third is mobile phones. Even though the mobile phones is owned by almost everyone, its battery life is pretty less, so it would be feasible if the battery life sustains for a longer time. Question number 3. Form a pairs, discuss and prepare a list of things which can be and which will be done in future. 5 things. Spot the model's verbs in your answer. Answer is the Leaning Tower of Pisa may be straightened. Cars will be traveling through air rather than by road. People might make trips to the moon for a vacation. We could have floating homes on water. People would be skating or cycling to their place of work. And the modal verbs in the above sentences are may, will, might, could, would. Let us do some more. Question number 4 आहे complete the following sentences using your ideas. Answer is I can succeed, they can overcome their fears and see we can conquer the world. तर अशा प्रकारे इथे जे आपला जो चॅप्टर होता 3.1 इट कॅन बी डन हा संपलेला आहे. सो थँक्यू सो मच स्टुडंट्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ अँड कीप वॉचिंग महाराष्ट्र मीडिया.